my name is Michaela Dorenzi, and I'm doing this internship because I want to learn the farmer side of things before becoming a vet. I just wanted to thank the foundation and the donors for giving me this awesome opportunity, once in a lifetime type of thing. From this internship, I've taken away so many different things. The main things would be giving IVs, pumping cows. I've been able to watch surgeries, and all these things are going to help me in vet school in the future.
Hello, my name is Cameron. I'm an intern at 11 Farms. I'm going into my sophomore year at Penn State. I decided to do this internship to gain more experience in the dairy field and to grow my knowledge as well. Thank you, the partners that have given me this experience.
Hi, I'm Ryan Parker. My internship is based in Hanscom, Minnesota at Tower Dairy Farm. I decided to do this internship because there's an opportunity that came along while I was sitting in school, and I figured it was a great learning experience paired up with everything that I'm learning in college. And it'd also be a great opportunity to expand my database of people that I know that can help me in my future and open many doors in the agricultural industry for me. I just want to say thank you to all my sponsors who sent me out here on this fantastic trip and learning experience. I've had an amazing time. I wish I could stay longer. I've grown to know the family very well. They've taught me a lot and given me a lot of opportunities that I haven't had in my hands before, and I'm sure that I'll be able to use them in the future in my career in agriculture.
Hi, I'm Rebecca Van Morgan. I'm from Del Valle University, and I'm interning at Wyvern Dairy this summer. I decided to intern here just to gain more experience, especially on a bigger dairy, because I come from more smaller dairies. And I'm just excited to learn as much as possible.
Hi, I'm Amanda Pearson. I'm going to be a senior at Penn State this year, and I'm currently the on-farm extern, which means I've been going to 5 different dairy farms all over PA this summer. Currently I'm at Walmart Holsteins, and my favorite thing about doing this externship is working individually with all the calves. I love it.